Oh, your dad's out there.
Think we're gonna get anything? Yeah, that one kind of looks like it's starting to do something.
It don't come in these clouds up above us. It's all at a wall cloud. So that's the end of the storm, or what? They're still out there playing softball, aren't they? Idiots. I was caught in one in a cabin, I was caught in one in a tent, and one out like in a softball field like that, and everybody's running. Clouds were just going like this. Everywhere. It's like, oh my god. It was nuts. See, these are weird. They're kind of cool, but like you said, these aren't the ones that are dropping. Yeah, matter of fact, they're really not that low. Those are low.
Yeah.
That big wall cloud over
I said
there.
they're going east. That's over there. That's east. This would be more west.
But if they drop, you'll be able to see a funnel cloud.
Yeah.
And they're even not even in Cushing. It's still over in Minnesota, isn't it?
It's across the river. I said it's
But look at this up here.
going east.
Well, if we were in danger, the sirens would be going, so technically. Unless it just drops out of the sky, that would suck.
Well, they say when it starts to rain heavy and then do hail and then starts to turn rain.
Oh, like this coming here.
That's when you need to
See, like this? But look at how low that is. See that? Those could drop, couldn't they? This one could drop too. Look how fast these are coming. Hope it don't drop. Stay up there. I'd be hitting right underneath the stairs in the basement because it'd be coming this way. Stairs would be right there. Yeah, well, the safest place would be the craft room or whatever that room is down here. Because that's
washer and dryer right
that's this end, is it? Yeah, that's where I'd be, by the washer and dryer. But then you're gonna be by the heater thing too. That thing blows up, you're done too. So,
Hot water heaters just as you walk down the stairs.
yeah, you don't want to be near that. Suppose if that blew up. I don't know what that would do. See, look at that.
Cloud looks nasty.
That one right there? Yeah, because look, it looks like it's dropping.
That cloud
Doesn't it?
looks really nasty.
That one looks scary. Right here?
Yeah.
Or what about over there?
The one that's right over us, because see, it's turning.
Turning where?
It's turning, don't you see it? It's moving, but yet it's turning.
Why is it clapping? This one right here? But it's still far away. Yeah, that's wicked. If you hear a freight train, look at that. Like that could drop, right?
Yeah.
That's probably where the ones are coming from. Lindstrom. We should be going in and listening. Tell them to look at the one above them. That one's just hovering. The one above you! Oh, they're smiling. The birds are up there going, yay! And then all of a sudden the wind's gonna go whoosh. That looks wicked right there, still? Because it's going like this? Yeah. Not above us, though.
It's going that way.
The ones going through us is not the worry part. It's the one that are just hanging out right there? Or over there?
They're going that way, so they're going away from us.
But those are scary?
They're still going away from us too. It's moving that way.
But that one was just hovering right here. You didn't like that one. And look at this one coming across. Wicked.
It's weird how it's dark and then it's like really bright.
Yeah. Well, these are just clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Look how dark it is over there. It's probably raining over there. Keep going by us. We mean you no harm.
Talking to aliens, are you?
No, I'm talking to clouds. Listen to them.
That's what they responded.
As long as they don't respond in a twister. See, these storm chasers, they love seeing them. They don't want to see destruction, but they do want to see. Well, they want to get more information so we can be warned earlier.
Yeah.
But I think this is good enough warning right here. Yeah, I know I'm getting recorded too, but oh well. Wish I could mute that. That looks wicked. See, like I said, I'd rather see it coming than not know. Like at night, you're screwed. If it's gonna hit, you ain't even gonna have a warning for one thing. That is weird. Look at them. That is just spooky. Just spooky. Mother Nature, huh? Look at all these cross. Yeah, you're gonna be hearing some screaming over there pretty quick. Come on, man. Can't you see there's something going on in the sky? It's not normal. It is for around here. You imagine living in Kansas or something? Tornado Alley? No way. I'd never live there unless I'd lived in the root cellar. I would have to live in the root cellar. Serious. Underground all the way. Then I'd end up dying in a flood. I'd end up dying in a flood. That'd be my luck. See, look at that little curve. That's kind of cool. It's not a hook, but could be. Because look, it's spinning around now. Not low enough. Yeah, keep on moving, boys. It's interesting, though, isn't it? See how it is in here. See if it's past us. Oh, amazing. Amazing but scary. Ooh, look at that rotation. Serious rotation.
It's only for 4:15 is tornado warning.
For here? So it's just going over the top of us?
They've lessened it because it was until 8 now. It's only
Is this going east of us or what? Still kind of weird though.
around us.
Yeah, around and around us. Pick up the house. See you later. NTM, NTM. No, that ain't even fun teasing about that. Look at that. That's wicked right there. Check that out. Look at that. Yeah, that's the thing. People are probably going, yes, I need a new house. Come on, take the house. Just save me. Like, no, I don't even want to be near it. Look how low that went when it could that turn into a tornado? You sure? Yeah, but can't that drop and pick up debris? And then it becomes dark?
No.
Come on, we watch enough tornado shows.
No, it's a dark one, Sonny. It's never a light one. Dark on
Why is it so low then?
because it's one of those cliffs.
How about that one right there?
That's what I don't like is when it spins like that.
Is that spinning?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Like that. See it start going?
Yep. Keep on going. You're scaring me now. Look at that.
Yeah, I can't look at it because it's too bright.
I know, that's why I got glasses on. It's probably the last that we got to get past. Keep on going. You're beautiful, but keep on moving. That's weird.
Place that guy. There was ambulance and stuff going through because they got hit bad.
Where? Yeah. Wow. It's just amazing.